surface area, there is no theory. No. So see the example. First example is a right circular cone has height 9 cm and radius of base is 5 cm. It is inverted and water is poured into it. If at any instant the water level rises at the rate of 5.8 cm per second, where A is the area of the water surface at that instant. Show that the vessel will be full in 75 seconds. Suppose let R and H be the radius and height of water level, and given the height of right circular cone is 9 cm and radius of base is 5 cm. See in the diagram, this is the right circular cone and radius of the base is 5 cm and height of the cone is 9 cm. If water is poured in this right circular cone, then the radius of surface of the water level is R and height of the water level is H. Therefore, from figure R upon H is equal to, here R is 5 upon H is 9. This ratio is similar. Therefore, R is equal to 5H upon 9. Now given that if at any instant the water level rises at the rate of pi upon A, that is height of the water level rises, increases at the rate of pi upon A, the water level rises at the rate of pi upon A centimeter per second, and water level, that is height of the water level is rises, that is dH by dt is equal to pi upon A. Here now suppose that this equation is 1. Now area A be the given. A is the area of water surface. A is the area of water surface which is the circle whose radius is R. Therefore, A equal to area of water surface. Therefore, that is equal to, given the area of the water surface is pi R square. Substitute the value of R, we get pi into 5H upon 9 bracket square, that is equal to 25 pi H square upon 9. This is the area. Suppose this equation as a 2. Substitute this value of A in equation 1. Therefore, from equation 1, dH by dt is equal to pi upon 25 pi H square upon, here 81 upon 81, that is equal to 81 upon 25 H square. Pi gets cancelled. Therefore, dH by dt is equal to 81 upon 25 H square. This is the differential equation, and it can be variable separately. We get dH into H square h square into dh is equal to 81 upon 25 d. It is the variable separable form. Then integrate, we get integration of h square dh is equal to integration of 81 upon 25 into dt, that is h cube upon 3 is equal to 81 upon 25 t plus c. Suppose this equation as a, but in initial time if t equal to 0, time is 0, then water is not poured in this vessel, therefore its height is 0, therefore take h equal to 0. If we substitute h equal to 0, t equal to 0, we get c equal to 0. Therefore this equation 3 becomes h cube upon 3 equal to 81 upon 25 t. Suppose this equation as a 4. Now आता तुम्हाला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे? शो दॅट द व्हेसल विल बी फुल इन 75 सेकंड्स. म्हणजे त्या व्हेसल मध्ये पूर्णपणे पाणी असणार आहे, म्हणजे हाईट ऑफ द वॉटर लेवल इज काय असणार आहे 9 सेंटीमीटर. Therefore if the vessel is full, then h equal to what? Height of the water level काय असणार आहे 9 सेंटीमीटर. Therefore substitute this value in this equation. We get 9 cube upon 3 into, simplify this, 25 upon 81 equal to t, that is equal to 81, 9 square is 81 into 9 into 25 upon 3 into 81, 81 gets cancel, divide 3 by 9 as 3 into 25 is equal to, t is equal to 25 into 3, 75. T is the time, therefore take the, its unit is second. That is the vessel will be full in 75 seconds. That is vessel will be full in 75 seconds. Second example is, assume that a spherical raindrop evaporates at a rate proportional to its surface. If its radius originally is 3 mm and 1 hour later it has been reduced to 2 mm. Find an expression for the radius of the raindrop at any time t. We have to calculate the radius in terms of t given the raindrop is spherical. Suppose let R, S, P be the radius, surface area and volume of spherical raindrop respectively. Now आता काय दिलं बघा, तर a spherical raindrop evaporates at a rate proportional to its surface area. Yes, be the surface area and its evaporate, that is the decreases of volume of the raindrop is proportional to its surface area. Therefore we get given dV by dt is proportional to S. Take away the proportional constant, we get dV by dt is equal to minus k into S. K is greater than 0. The raindrop is decreases, volume of the raindrop is decreases, therefore take this as a minus sign. Now suppose this equation as a 1. If S and V be the surface area and volume of the spherical raindrop sphere, and we know the surface area and volume of the sphere here r phi is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube and s is equal to 4 pi r square. Now we have to find dv by dt. Therefore differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate p with respect to t. We get dv by dt is equal to 4 upon 3 pi into 3 r square into dr by dt. That is equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. dv by dt is equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt, and put these values in equation 1. Therefore from equation 1 we get 4 pi r square dr by dt is equal to minus k into s is the 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square gets cancelled. We get dr by dt is equal to minus k. This is the differential equation. Variable separable, we get dr is equal to minus k. It is the variable separable form. Then integrate, we get integration of dr is equal to integration of minus k. Minus k integration of dr is 1. Therefore we get dr and the integration of dr is r minus k t plus integration constant c. Suppose this equation as a 2. आता इनिशियली पुढे काय दिले बघा, इफ इट्स अ रेडियस ओरिजिनली इज 3 mm, म्हणजे at time t equal to 0 its radius is 3 mm. Given original radius is 3 mm, therefore t is equal to 0, r is equal to 3. Substitute these values, we get from equation 2 3 is equal to minus k into 0 plus c. Therefore c is equal to 3. Put this value in this equation, we get therefore r is equal to minus kt plus 3 from equation 2. Now this is the equation 3. Now पुढे काय दिले बघा, if its range of originally 3 mm and 1 hour later it has been reduced to 2 mm, म्हणजे at 1 hour later ये given ये t is equal to 1 hour, then r is equal to 2 m. Substitute this value, we get 2 is equal to minus k into 1 plus 3. Therefore 2 minus 3 is equal to minus k. Therefore k equal to 1. K equal to 1. Put this value of k in equation 3. Therefore from equation 3 we get r is equal to minus 1 into t plus 3. Therefore r is equal to t minus 3. r equal to 3 minus t. This is the expression for evaporating for the calculation of radius of the radon at any time t, which is the required equation. of assets is proportional to the square root of assets existing at that moment. If the assets at beginning are rupees 10 lakh and they divide down to RS rupees 10,000 after 2 years, show that the person will be bankrupt in 2 into 2 and 2/9 years from the start. बघा आता या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय दिलंय तर पर्सन starts assets reducing in such a way that the rate of reduction is proportional to the square root of assets. Suppose A be the let A be the person assets at time t. Therefore, it is given that dA by dt is proportional to square root of A. Take K be the proportional constant. Therefore, we get dA by dt is equal to minus K into square root of A. K is greater than 0 because the reduction is decreasing. Therefore, take this as a minus sign. It is the differential equation. Then we have to variable separable it. We get dA upon square root of A is equal to minus K dt. It is the variable separable form. Then integrate this. Integrating we get integration of here square root of A means A raised to 1 half and it is in denominator. Take it in numerator as A raised to minus 1 half dA is equal to integration of minus K dt plus integration constant C. We know the integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Use this formula. We get a raised to 1 plus minus 1 half upon 1 plus minus 1 half is equal to minus k. Minus k is the constant. Take outside the integration. Then here remains 1. Integration of 1 is with respect to t is t plus integration constant c. Therefore, we get 1 plus minus means minus 1 half is a raised to 1 half upon 1 half is equal to minus kt plus c. Therefore, it is 2 into a raised to 1 half, that is square root of a is equal to minus kt plus c. This is the equation 1. Using this equation, we have to calculate this term. Now, given initially at the beginning there are rupees 10 lakh and given beginning the amount is 10 lakh. Therefore, take A is equal to 10 lakh at time t is equal to 0. Substitute these values in this equation. We get 2 into square root of 10 lakh is equal to minus k into 0 plus c. Therefore, 2 into square root of 10 lakh is 1000 is equal to minus k into 0 is 0 plus c is c. Therefore, c is equal to 2000. Substitute this value of c in equation 1. We get from equation 1 2 into square root of a is equal to minus kt plus 2000. Suppose this equation as a 2. Now, given that they divide us down to rupees 10,000 after 2 years, that is given A is equal to 10,000 after 2 years, that is P equal to 2 years. Therefore, from equation 2 बघा या इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करूया. वी गेट 2 into square root of 10,000 is equal to minus k into 2 plus 2,000. Square root of 10,000 is 100, that is 2 into 100 is equal to minus 2k plus 2,000. Therefore, we get 2k is equal to 2,000 minus 200. Therefore, 2k is equal to 1,800. Therefore, k is equal to 900. Substitute this value of k again in equation 2. Therefore, we get from equation 2 into square root of a is equal to minus kt, is equal to minus 900t plus 2,000. Suppose this equation has a 3, and in this equation there are two variables a and t, and using this equation we have to calculate this value. Next, now to find that, to show that the person will be bankrupt in 2 into 2 upon 9 years, that is the value of a is 0. A person will be bankrupt, that is a equal to 0. Now to find time t, again substitute these values in this equation. We get 2 into square root of 0 is equal to minus 900 into t plus 2,000. Square root of 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is again 0. Therefore, we get 900t is equal to 2,000. Therefore, p is equal to 2,000 upon 900. Simplify this, divide 9 by 20, we get t is equal to 9 into 2, 18.2 upon 9 years. That is, the person will be bankrupt in 2 upon 9 years. Thank you.